They think and then they go. But it's got so much usable torque for daily driving. And I love the way it just hugs these corners. Like, wow. Look at the stability of with the Quattro system. Oh yeah. Oh, excellent. Excellent power. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are driving a 2020 Audi S4 Prestige. Let's get her fired up and go take a look outside. Let's go look at the back seats. Let's hop back in here. So right away, I'm greeted to super comfortable seats. I'm 6'2". There's still enough headroom. A rear zone climate system, heated seats, chargers, outlet, pockets, and I like how Audi made these plastic, so if kids are kicking, it won't be damaged. A black headliner, some lighting. The materials are incredible, very high quality, soft to touch. I love this aluminum trim. I think it looks exactly the way it should in this kind of car. Has that sporty vibe to it. We got the Bang & Olufsen audio system. Easy to open trunk. It's got decent space. We can put one or two, like 2 suitcases in there. Not too big, but we'll do the job. But let's look under the hood. So this Audi comes with the 3.0 liter turbo. It pumps out 349 horsepower in this iteration, and it's made it to an 8-speed ZF automatic. As you can see, Audi likes to leave all of this open. They don't cover it or hide it. Let's take a look at this cabin. I love these seats. They come with a massage feature, the bolstering. They are very comfortable seats, but on longer drives they do get a little bit fatiguing, because when you get into them, you will notice that these seats, they do kind of drive a little bit under your armpits. And as somebody who's owned a 2021 Audi S5, that was one of the things that I would say may be uncomfortable to some customers. So if you're very wide-shouldered or a bigger person, these may be a little too tight for you. We have the adjustable armrest. Good sunroof. Auto tap lights. And as far as features, we have the navigation, since this is the Prestige. We also have that in the virtual cockpit. And you can change the virtual cockpit in a lot of ways. So you can go here, select your, let's see where it is. Let's see, vehicle settings, display and brightness, and then we can also change the way our cockpit looks. This is a good view, I like it, but I personally prefer this one for the S4. We have the dual zone climate, auto start stop, our mode selector, and auto park. And we also have the 360 view camera with the sensors. and you can see all around the vehicle. The camera is of a good quality, but it could be better. When you look at the back, you'll see that the sides, they kind of get distorted on a parking lot. So BMW and Mercedes do have a higher quality camera in this case. Soft touch materials everywhere. I love this frameless mirror with the home link. It's also auto dimming, has the compass, and we also have the heads-up display. A good, simple, clear heads-up display. It doesn't have as much information or features as BMW's, but it's still a good one. Automatic windows. We also have the heated seats here. If you do get the cooling seats, you will have to opt for the regular Audi seats, not the sport seats. So heading off on our drive, let's also do the horn test. So setting off on our drive, let's begin this test drive in comfort mode and see how this car performs just in its normal comfort setting. We have a hanging pedal as VW. So unlike BMWs and Mercedes, which have a floor-mounted pedal, this is a hanging pedal. The visibility is excellent. We got thin pillars, so you can see everything around the car with ease. It's also incredibly agile. So just minor inputs to the wheel. And this car has some serious mid-range and low-end torque. You don't even need to apply much throttle to get going. Just a little bit of it, and that's it. You're up and running. We have the blind spot system integrated in the mirrors. They will light up in yellow if there's a car. And also, some Audis in 2022, they came with the conductor shortage package, which means they would lack the blind spot system due to the chip shortage. I think Audi made a good design here with these buttons. They're very easy to use. They light up, and you don't have to do everything through the touchscreen. We have the volume button right here, and this shifter feels nice. I think Audi has used excellent materials here. So in comfort mode, this Audi has plenty of pep for normal driving. Just minimal inputs to the throttle. Oh wow. So we even have the pops in comfort. Alright, well, let's head on to dynamic, because that's where the fun is. We're gonna give them some space. I love the seating position in this S4. It's perfect. No body roll. Excellent. Excellent power. The stability is phenomenal. Holds the road beautifully. You do not feel speed on Audis. So if you're going fast, it just kind of feels like you're floating maybe 40 or 50 at most. Lots of low-end torque. I love it. Driving this one, comparing to the RS5, I think this is such a sweeter package. The ride is way more pleasing. It sounds better. As far as the power, I can't even tell. Like, it feels pretty much as quick to me as the RS5 did, at least in this case. To 100. And so we did 7.15 seconds, 62 to 100, and it was slightly uphill. Let's do our first 0 to 60 test. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Excellent. Excellent. So we did, on this run, we did 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. We did the 0 to 62 in 5.65 seconds. And then the 1/8 mile came at 8.77 at 83.68. Good power, but let's do this one more time and see how quick she is. So these cars have a little bit of lag from idle, from one pedal, 3, 2, 1. They think, and then they go. Alright, so what did we get this time? We did 0 to 60 in 5.32 seconds. That is actually a great time for this car. 0 to 62 in 5.56 seconds, and the 1/8 mile at 8.75 at 84 miles per hour. Again, great numbers. Reset the Dragy. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Thanks for a little bit, and here we go. Let's see what we got. So we did 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds valid. We did 0 to 62 in 5.66. We did the 1/8 mile at 8.82 at 82.54, and we did the 1/4 mile at 13.55 at 104.15. Well, here comes the final run that we will do. And this will be from launch control. We'll see how she can do it with launch. All right, let's head out here, and we will launch her. So, okay, reset the Dragy. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yes. Oh yes. Yes. Okay, so we did 0 to 60 in 4.51 seconds valid. We did 0 to 62 in 4.75 seconds. The 1/8 mile at 8.26 at 86.17. So we've gained a little bit on the trap speed. And yeah, let's just try one more time just for fun. Let's do one more 0 to 60 on this. All right, so come to a full stop. Booster up. Build, let's go. It didn't sport shift anymore, that's it. Yeah, 4.77. So after you do a few runs, if you have the stock intercooler, it kind of loses that bam bam shift, and I've noticed that with my S5 too. Is whenever you drive it aggressively for a little bit, and then per se, you want to launch it again, it will not let you go into that launch pattern. Well, let's do some country backroad driving now. See how she handles these corners. I love the sound in the pops. whenever you downshift in manual mode, you'll get that crackle. Pa, 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 pa. I love the way it sounds. I think it sounds way better than the RS5 does. The brakes are excellent. So let's talk a little bit about the handling. So the handling here is very subtle and playful. The only thing that you may encounter driving this at higher speeds is you will face a little bit of possible understeer when you're going faster. So that's really the only thing to watch out for. Otherwise, it's a very capable platform. I would say it's not as aggressive as the M340i in terms of the way it responds and it's geared, but it's got so much usable torque for daily driving, and I love the way it just hugs these corners. Like, wow. Look at the stability of with the Quattro system. Oh yeah. Yes. Excellent. Instant downshifts using the paddle shifters. Got the pops coming out of the turn, full throttle. Excellent, excellent. It's got great power for what it is. Now comparing this to the G70, the M340i, they're very different cars, nonetheless. They are very different cars. I would say this is to the softer side, it's less aggressive, and it has a lot of low-end torque, whereas the M340i has much more upper torque, like upper-end torque. It's a way higher spinning engine. And that delay, the M340i doesn't have that. It's very instant. But overall, as far as the pluses about this car, it's got excellent grippy handling, great traction, very planted, super good on the soundproofing. You can't hear anything from the wind noise or road noise. I love the steering wheel. The virtual cockpit is beautiful. We can also do the Google Maps. As far as the cons, I think these seats are definitely to a specific taste, not for everyone. I love that we have the massage feature here and we can use that. The pedal, again, I like floor mounted pedals more. It's just more of my thing. But beside that, what a solid car. Excellent vehicle, excellent quality. You can't go wrong with it. And the sound, I really like the sound. And this, of course, looks very simple to me in terms of design. It could be a little more sophisticated, but it's very simple and tasteful. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Until next time.